Hello guys, this is Umesh Mali. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn how to break the dimension line. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will motivate me too much to make such useful videos for you. So guys, here you can see that those two dimensions 206 and 408 are intersecting with each other, and which is not at all good for our drawing presentation. So what we have to do is just type dimension break, then select the dimension you want to break. So here I have selected 408, then select the dimension from which you have to break. And here it is done. Here you can see that dimension line has been breaked. So hope you like our videos. Keep giving your feedbacks. Thank you.